Yata eh. Mga arte lagi. No, climb sa side because there's no a lot of water. Yung mga arte, ilis na po bagong tubig. Ilis, may bagong tubig. Last na ng ilis. Pwede na siya dili ilisan. Continue lang ubutang o karapang maintenance. Ng mga arte-arte. Ilis bagong tubig. Ezekiel, you get mad and then you spray Matthias. Don't spray in the face, lab. Change me of water. Okay. Sige na lang may og butang og mga chlorine. Hi, Ezekiel! Hi, Matthias! Ano sila taga? Pero meron pa galing hawa sa tubig, Muna yung pinaka-ampay sa duha ka customer. Dagda yun sa pool, mas kinuha pa kayo dahan tubig. Hi, Ezekiel! 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 Hi! Hindi sila kalingan. Hindi sila, ang bill po sa water ani tanpan po, nakaguros po. Sa ating tamer, maog yun ang kuan sa bayronon sa kurente. Pag tingkog na po, ang heater. Worth it, basta malingaw lang mga batos, pati po ang inahan. Lingaw po salom-salom. Dito na yun, napidid kay ang katong floater namo sa tuloy natin na bilin na faded ang pool. Dito na yung sand area, yung sand yung brown brown. Na ang daddy change tao water. Ang daddy may nagkuan kayo mga palangga. Change na to. Hi! Flamingo is not floating. I float! There's little water. Cheese daw ay. Cheese! Yung isa nag-spray na lang sa hose. Ano yung kalingawan Ayun ka, mga sipat na lang kayo. Mga sipat ni mami o daddy. Ang pangalan. Nasuno kayo ng tubig. Hala. Dasmag. Muling nakakuan. Worth it kayo nga nagka-puti. Pero hindi sila ligo. May adlaw na di maligo. Palagsara na di makaligo. Kaya maadtugid sa pool. Yay! Splash!
Uy! Don't smoke. Uy! Ay! Uy! Ay! Today's the day. Nice! Nasa early pa in the morning. 9:15 pa. Maybe the cicadas. This one you don't need it. It's so shallow, you silly. The best, you don't need it, but he wants it.
Ang mga duha ka ulit og tubig. Hi. Ay, wait sa doon pa may cellphone. Oh. Uy. Uy.
You don't take any damage. I need to walk my animal.
Zekios.
You could use
Say cheesa.
ammo anytime.
Say cheesa, what you go?
Cheetah.
Only me and Ezekiel swimming. Because Matthias is inside. Yeah? You guys done swimming earlier. Man, nindot kayo tubig basta kuan pa. Dili kayo chlorinated. Napan pa kayo limpyo. Uda. Wait. Hi. Ah! Look at the water gun. Go right here, Tanak. Uy. Uy. Cheese mamang. Cheese. Love you.
That's friend.
Oh. Love you, best friend.
Best friend.
You're my best friend forever and ever.
Best friend forever and ever and ever in your lifetime.
Oh. So sweet. Oh, yeah. You did already? Look. You know? Hello?
You're my best friend forever and ever until I die.
What? You did already?
You're my best friend and never and ever until I die.
Look.
You're my best friend
Is that
forever.
already
You're my
nasty?
best friend for like I
Look. Stop. Did already, best friend.
You're my best friend forever and ever until I die.
Boy! Best friend! Best friend! Don't be dead! Ay, nako si Ezekiel. Ezekiel! He is my best friend.
Get off of the thing. Oh no, I can't walk.
Which one? Yeah, you can walk. This is
No,
shallow.
I can only swim.
You can only swim.
Can you
Our pool is not even deep. Did you know that? Because this is in your height. Supposed to be good in your height. Not for mom and daddy. Because we don't want you. Bleh! So cute. Uy! Best friend! Stop being dead!
Can you help me do
Stop being dead! You stop! You stop being sad! I'll be sad forever.
I'm not being
What?
Mom, I'm not.
Stop being sad!
Can you take it off of me?
Which one?
This.
This one floating?
Yeah, I can't.
Oh, you stick in it?
I'm done. I could only be. I could
My best friend, you're stuck with a donut. My best friend is a donut. Hi. My best friend is a donut. He is a donut. Are you a donut guy? It's my best friend. Uy! It's my best friend. Handsome. Handsome sa bibi ni Marang. Bibi sipat-sipat kaayo. Ang bida-bida bo. Bida-bida. Best friend, you're gonna get dizzy. Uy! My best friend! What's the song?
My best friend. My best friend.
My best friend. Na na na.
No, now it's na.
Oy, nanudlo pa! My best friend. Na na na. That's slow? For sure?
My best friend. Na.
Wala. My best friend. Na na na.
Best friend. Wait, I didn't sing the next part. No, friend.
No, no friend. I'm not really sure is that really the lyrics, but maybe. But that's the one, mommy. My best friend. No, friend. No. Maybe. Mommy's just making up these lyrics.
Now I'm gonna be in Disney.
Stop! Stop! You're gonna be dizzy.
Hey, what?
Da 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 da. Taking a picture. Si Flamingo. Flamingo. Go. Kubing ka ba sa madal? Nagpangko ka. Punta ba? Yan ka ba din eh. Namungkol na pang batuts. Mabaw. Limit siya minamo siyang hindi ka kay. You know, may mga bata. Palabon din sa ila. Safety. Ay! Oh, where is he? Uy! Shoot! Okay, let's battle. Okay. Ready, set, go! You're funny. 1 point.
I need to get out of here. I'm doing
What? You crazy? Oh. Oi, you're out there. Flamingo is flipping. What you do with a flamingo? What did you do? What did you do, Ezekiel? you. Hey! You're mean. Flamingo. Oh! You're funny. Flamingo is flippin'. Flippin'. Flippin' and flippin'. Ano si Flamingo? Ano si Flamingo? Woohoo! Sailing away, Flamingo! Hey! You meanie! Hey, stop being mean! Don't be mean. Not nice. That's not nice. Yeah. Ah, Matthias is here. Hi, my loves. He's back. Wow, this one in no air, then it go back, huh? Hi, Tias. Matthias ang naiwit is watch siya Zub. What's that, Zuboma po? Kaya kasi he's dumping na. He's dumpy. Here's a jumpy. Splash, Matthias! Woohoo! Uy! Last na water na ka. That is crazy. Crazy. Yeah? Last na water na ka. Yes. Yeah? Woohoo! Good job. Good job, handsome boy. Hey! Did you eat your lunch? All of it? Not all of it. That's okay. Good job. Okay. No, not jumping like you go crazy. Just a small jump. Yeah, just a small jump. Because we need to be careful. Okay, just a little jump. No, it's not even deep, love. Don't make it very difficult because you could slip on that. Just go, no, donut. That scared me. Because you might slip on it and then you're gonna get hurt. Yeah. Oh, it's splashing something. It's splashing. Why? Oh, wave. Wave is coming up. Go, go, go. Don't be crazy, dude. Oh, jumping. Sige na. There's in there, Ezekiel. You don't need to jump in there. That's scary. It scared me. Of course, because it's in the water. Splash time si Matthias. Splash time. Woohoo! Yeah?
Before it's super small.
But yeah.
The flamingo.
No, not so small. This is the same.
It's a beautiful day, my beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, now I know. Baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.